Check it out, guys. Hot topic today, the Primal RC RAMINATOR. 80 pounds of monster truck. 1/5 scale, 49cc gas power. If you guys missed the unboxing video in our first test with the 5th scale boss and I, you definitely want to check out the size of these tires. This is a standard 355 milliliter can of beer. Look at that. My hand easily covers this, but not the tire. Crazy. Can almost stick that right inside the hub. That's a GoPro on top. You guys can check that out. Look at this. Giant monster truck. So I'm running a 40-to-1 gas and oil mixture in here, Castrol 927. I've also adjusted the only needle on the carburetor, which is a high-speed adjustment. I've turned it 3/4 clockwise, which is giving me much better performance. And with a tank and a half only through this engine, I expect to see even better performance. But I went out today, built a few jumps, thought I could take it around the track for the first time, see what you guys think, see if it's an improvement over the last video we did. Now here's a gap I made, but it's only like, you know, maybe 10 feet, but I've made it into a Superman on this side. I think I definitely won't make it if I hit this side, but we should try anyway. There, from this angle you can kind of see how steep it is right here, but with that kind of weight I'm hoping that I can clear it. So close. Clearly I didn't make it. Come on, baby. Forget how big this thing is. It's amazing to watch in person. Oh, Endo saves it. See if I can drive it one-handed with that massive suspension. Very difficult to keep fast and online. Yeah. Yeah! She's ripping nice now. catwalk, but I'll take it. It's for all the monster truck fans. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Full pop, let's do it. Woohoo! And it just keeps on taking it. There you go, guys. The Primal RAMINATor. Now, 3 tanks in.